Hi guys, Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. I'm going to show you how to get started on your short sleeve V-neck shirt. It is worked in the stitch called Alt Single Crochet or Alternating Single Crochet. And it's basically front loop and back loop single crochet alternated throughout. You will always start with the front loop and end with a back loop. This is my piece worked up here. And we're going to start one now. Just start with a slip stitch on my hook. And I'm going to chain an even number plus 1 to do the alt single crochet stitch. So just for this tutorial, I will do 10 plus 1, I'll do 11. I think that was 10. Let me check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and one more. Okay, so like a typical single crochet stitch, I'm going to start in the second chain from my hook. And this first row is my foundation row, so I'm just going to do single crochets across. Okay, once I have my foundation chain of single crochets completed, I will turn my work, and this is where I will begin the alt single crochet pattern. So typically when you crochet, you are going under these top 2 loops with your hook. When you do front loop, you go under the front loop, the loop closest to you. When you do back loop, you go under the loop in the back furthest from you to perform your stitches. So for the alt single crochet, we're going to alternate, always starting each row with front and ending each row with back. So we are going to work into this first stitch in the front loop. To start our single crochet row, we will chain 1, and then we're going to go under our front loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. The next one will be our back loop. Then we're going to front loop, back loop again, and repeat that across the row. Okay, this is my last stitch here, so I'm going in the back loop. There we go. So if I get to my last stitch and my pattern has gotten off, I know that I missed one somewhere, and I can go back and double check which one. So then when you're at the end, you turn. The last stitch we worked was a back loop in the last stitch. So we're going to start our new row, row 3, with a front loop single crochet, next back loop, and we just continue on. I love the stretchiness of working in the front or back loops, and using the alt single crochet gives it such a beautiful texture, and it also provides a lot of stretch. So that's why I chose to use this stitch for my short sleeve V-neck shirt. You can see the texture here, it's just gorgeous. All right, thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful.